Late archery, western blacktail. Locale, it doesn't matter where we are. Once again, shout out to Sitka for keeping me warm, dry, and comfortable. So I just saw Tim down the hill. And he drew on a deer. I think he shot, but I didn't see for sure if he shot. But I don't think he hit because I saw the animal running off. We're just working our way down this game trail. Hunting with my boy, seeing what we can come up with. I know there's a lot of deer in these woods. It's just a matter of the timing being right. Are you looking for deer, son?
No, I'm following the trail.
What? Go this way. We're gonna go down this way and start working along this ridge. I wish I could have captured a little more of the action on this one, but I'm super grateful just to be able to do this kind of stuff, especially with my son right here who helped me out the whole time.
He's ready on Declan.
Not a huge buck, but I'm not a trophy hunter either. I'm super happy with this animal. Made a nice clean heart shot, in and out.
So yeah.
He probably went about 20 feet after we hit him. Super happy with this bow. This Bear BR33. Another successful trip. So you saw in those other videos where we were processing the deer, cooking some of it, eating it. Now we're just packaging it up. What I do is I just portion it out, saran wrap it, and then wrap that in this Reynolds wrap freezer paper. Label it, Deer Burger 2019, and that'll go in the freezer just like that and keep for like a year at least. Also right now I'm going to mix up the rest of this as some breakfast sausage. I like using this High Country breakfast sausage seasoning, Sage Meadow Country Blend. We got about 10 pounds of meat here. That calls for 2/3 cup of seasoning.
The little
and 3/4 cup of water. You just mix it up real well by hand. And it's a really good, like, patty sausage. It's good for making biscuits and gravy.
Yeah.
It's just good on its own.
It smells real nice.
Does it smell good, Corey? Corey says it smells real nice. Changes the texture of it a little bit. Not a lot. Ooh, it smells good. And I'll do that the same way. I'll just saran wrap it, freezer paper it, label it, and this will all go up in the freezer. And I'll make sure I get a shot of this when it's all done, so you can see a pile of wrapped meat like the butcher shop does. Get that red button, little tiny one. Yeah. So that's a wrap on the deer processing, packaging, all that stuff. Here it is, the pile of meat. That's enough that'll keep my family with some ground meat for a while. We got some breakfast sausage for doing biscuits and gravy and stuff like that. It's a good way to go out and hunt, get your own food.
I was ignorant.
Wife's over here dying.
Like, yeah, you should come with me. I was like, maybe I'll take you with sometime. And she's like, absolutely not.
Oh my god. That's terrible.
So the processing and packaging is all done. Finished product going out to the freezer. And my beautiful, cute wife is making, as we speak, some ground deer venison goulash. That's why I do this. It tastes great, it's really nice, and we get to not even go to the grocery store to get our own meat. Cascade TV.